Good afternoon, student of class 10. We have completed the quadratic equation. We can't revise that chapter because we don't have that much of time. You have to practice in home. If you are facing any problem, you have to ask me the question. I will solve that. But today we are starting a new chapter that is known as ratio and proportion. And you have the basic knowledge about ratio and proportion. Like if I am mixing a sand of 100 kg sand is there, I am mixing some iron fillings with that. What will be the ratio if that is 150 kg? The ratio will be 100 is to 150. And ratio can be also written as a division form. Now I can minimize it. So the ratio become 2 is to 3. Now proportion, like 4 term. 4 term is there. The term is proportion or not, how we can check? If A by B is C by D, then I can say the term is in proportion. Like 4 by 416, 520. 4 by 16 equal to 1 by 4. 5 by 20 equal to 1 by 4. Both are equal, so I can say that are in proportion. There is one more way. Here I can found A into D equal to B into C. That means first term into last term have to be equal to second into third. So here 4 into 20 is, look at that, 80. 16 into 5 is also 80. So I can say these terms are in proportion. Okay, let's start the exercise. There is nothing more to explain. You just have to understand and solve. Like math number 1, it is said A is to B equal to 5 is to 3. And you have to find the value of 5A minus 3B by 5A plus 3B. Now A is to B, that means A by B equal to 5 by 3. Now I am dividing that each term with by B. So that become 5 into A by B, 3 into B by B, 5 into A by B plus 3 into B by B. Here A by B value is 5 by 3. So I got 5 into 5 by 3. Here BB cancel, only 3 left. Similarly here 5 by 3 plus 3. So I got 25 by 3 minus 3. 25 by 3 plus 3. So I got 3 is LCM here, to 25 minus 9 by 25 plus 9 by 3. So I got 16 by 34. So answer is 8 by 17. There are others math, like I am solving math number 6. Here m plus n by m plus 3n equal to 2 by 3 is given. You have to find out the value of 3n square by 3m square plus mn. Now I am solving that equation, multiplying, cross multiplying, so that become 3m plus 3n, 2m plus 6m. So I can say 3m minus 2m equal to 6n minus 3m. So I can say m equal to 3n. So m by n equal to 3. Now I have to find out the value of that expression. Now I am dividing each term by n square. So that become so here n square cancel, only 3 left. Here m square by n square, we know that m by n equal to 3. So I can write 3 into 3 square. plus that is m by n, that become m by n because n and 1n is cancelled, only 1n is left in the denominator, so that is m by n, and m by n is 3, so I can write 27, so 3 by 30, so answer is 1 by 10. Now math number 9. Divide 1290 into A, B, C such that 250 of B and B is to C such that A is 2/5 of B and B is to C is given 4:3. Here total money is 1290 rupees, and here it is said A equal to 2 by 5 B.